Alright, this quick lesson for the packing gland is to teach you how to snap to tangents. Let's right click on Object Snap Settings and turn on the tangent snap and click OK. We are going to draw circles at the values that are given. For example, these two circles have a radius of 7/8, and the large circle here has a radius of 1 7/8. We'll be trimming later, but we need some lines, so we are going to snap to tangent. So you put the line command and you look for the tangent snap. So you're looking for the deferred tangent with 3 dots and pick these two and adjust automatically to tangent to both lines. Repeat the line command. Again, grab anywhere along the 2 circles near where you believe the tangent would be. Hit the line command. And you're snapping to deferred tangents. And there they are. That'll guarantee that the line and the circle are accurately snapped together. So quick review: in order to use tangents, remove all other snaps and just leave tangent on. So we need to trim. Pick the circles you just drew and the 4 lines. You don't have to click everything this time, just those right there. Click enter and pick the parts you don't want. And it'll trim right to your tangents. And you see there, I'm going to erase the remaining parts of this. And we have a nice continuous line type from line to arc and line to arc. Okay, this ends this discussion.